Welcome back. Today's video covers the automated remote job fetching and filtering for Telegram feed template, designed for job channel automation. This workflow utilizes Remotive and SimplyHired. It begins by navigating to Remotive, followed by a loop node to process the job list. For each entry, it extracts essential data points, including salary, required skills, and the job description. As always, let's review the execution steps in the Run tab. You can see the agent followed the specific steps we defined in the workflow. Moving on to SimplyHired, we utilize a second workflow. We've configured a custom search link for the remote keyword. A loop node iterates through the job listings, and for each selection, an extract node is used to pull all relevant data from the page. Now, let's check the Run tab for this one too. As you can see, it navigates to the search page we defined, then selects each item from the right ribbon. From there, we extract all the necessary data for our workflow. Let's continue with N8N. I have included annotations and BrowserAct template names in each section. The scenario triggers on a schedule, utilizing parallel paths for SimplyHired on top and Remotive on bottom. The BrowserAct nodes require no inputs. Extracted data is sent to a split node to isolate individual items. By enabling always output data, we ensure the workflow continues even if one path fails. Finally, a merge node synchronizes the data before it is aggregated and sent to the AI agent. Once scraping is complete, the agent generates a user-friendly Telegram post, using structured output for consistent formatting. We then use a code node or optionally a split node to separate the job items. These items are processed individually within a loop. To avoid rate limits, a wait node is included before the Telegram node sends the data. Ensure your channel ID is correctly entered in the chat ID field. Now, let's look at the result. You can see the jobs are now in my Telegram channel in a specific order. The summaries are a good size and easy to read. The hashtags and apply links are there, too. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.